Enhancing the facial features non-surgically involves a keen understanding of facial expressions and the specific muscles that led to a downturned appearance, such as those around the eyes, lips, and jawline. To create a lifted, more youthful look, the focus should be on relaxing the muscles that cause the eyebrows, lips, and jawline to droop. Through precise treatments targeting these areas, one can significantly elevate the overall appearance of the face, offering a rejuvenated look. To achieve an eyebrow lift through non-surgical means, the key is to target and relax the muscles that pull the eyebrows downward. These include the orbicularis oculi muscle and the muscles within the glabella complex. By carefully administering treatments to these areas, you can effectively lift the eyebrows, creating a more open and youthful appearance. In addressing the tightening of muscles in the lower face, particularly with the platysma, it's crucial to mention the Nefertiti lift, a specific Botox treatment designed to counteract the effects of aging. This procedure, named after the famous Egyptian queen, Nefertiti, known for her elongated, smooth neck and defined jawline, targets the platysma and depressor orbicularis oris muscles. By carefully administering Botox to relax these muscles, the Nefertiti lift effectively minimizes the appearance of jowls and creates a more defined jawline, hence reversing the downturned faces associated with muscle tightness in the lower face. This approach challenges traditional beliefs about muscle stretching and the efficacy of electrical muscle stimulation devices, providing a sophisticated alternative for achieving a lifted, more youthful facial contour.